Surface laptop, how to clean it properly. As we've got the Surface laptop here, in for refurbishment. Surface laptops have got this quite terrible sort of felt finish on them, which makes them look really dirty. Can't really see it in the camera here, but here we go. Foam cleaner. Yeah, foam cleaner, can get it from various places. Liberally spray it on there. Then a paintbrush, short hair paintbrush. And some elbow grease. You can also see here quite disgusting keyboard. Again, same thing. Liberally spray it. Quite often, when you are refurbishing a laptop, all you need to do is give it a really good clean.